What is going on, Road Warriors? You're riding the HRC with High Road Comics, and today is a Flex Comics Mail Day.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
So let's go ahead and check it out. And by the way, if you haven't seen my last haul, I got this Venomous Gains shirt, and I've actually been going to the gym and using them. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Flex. So like I said in the last video, Flex Comics does these 50% off Fridays, and they actually have a Bro T Club exclusive. So like new designs are only 15 bucks as opposed to the 30, which I think it's worth it. The t-shirt quality is nice and the shipping is free, so worth it in my opinion. It's built. From Flex Comics, we appreciate this epic support. Share your Swolfies with us using Flex Comics, which I'm going to do. Lift long and prosperous, Team Flex Comics. So let's go ahead and check it out. I got those stickers. I'll check it out. So let's go ahead. This one is actually my wife's, and they actually did a promo for Game of Thrones on the season premiere, and that's where I got these. So she got a Razorback. I don't wear Razorbacks. Check it out. I drink, lift, and I know things. I was gonna get the same shirt as her, but sometimes we go to the gym together, and we don't want to be those guys. But this one, this is something I'm super excited for. Let's go ahead and flex. I'm gonna start doing gym swolfies. It's very nice, and they actually stepped it up a little. They use Next Level as their shop, and if you don't know, they got epic Next Level shirt. So let's go ahead and slow-mo it. No, I'm not gonna slow-mo it, but check it out. Oh, bam, bam, for Game of Thrones, because get it, Iron Throne right there, and that's Thanos sitting on the throne as he should. Just kidding, they'll root for the bad guys, and those are weights. Iron, the Iron Throne, get it? Games of Thrones? Wow! At Flex Comics. Worth it. So, only thing that could have made it a little bit better would be having something on the back. So like, if you check out the back of this shirt, there's like a Flex Comics thing, and I would like to rep Flex Comics, but I mean, it's at the bottom, but you really gotta look. But I think it's badass. This is awesome. This is awesome. And then you got Razorback. I kind of like the tanks, but I wouldn't wear them in the gym because I'm not so yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool, man. So there's like Flex Comics at the bottom. Pretty dope. Let me check it out. So if you haven't been to their website, check them out. It's flexcomics.com. You could also Google Flex Comics, and it really is no sticker. It's sad. That's okay. That's all I got. This is Errol from High Road Comics. Going offline. Taking this exit. See you next time.